Hi class, I'm Kay Nail and I'll be your instructor this semester for World History Part 1. And I wanted to take a few minutes of your time, go over the course navigation, introduce the class a little bit, and give you some tips and suggestions on how to be a successful student this semester. Now, your course is available in Canvas, and there's several ways to access Canvas, but I suggest students go to the bscc.edu website, scroll to the bottom of the page, and select Canvas, and there you go. Now, once you access this class in Canvas, you'll have a home page. You'll have a couple of columns here when it comes to navigating. This column is static. You will have this available to you with all of your courses at BSCC this semester. Then for my course, you will have this column of links to help you get around in the class, and I'll explain what those links are. The home page gives you some information on how to contact me. I prefer that students use the Canvas inbox. This is an inbox. You will select it, and you can select a message to go directly to me. I'll get an email. I typically try to communicate with students within 24 hours of receiving a message from you. However, sometimes things get hectic in a semester, so please, get back with me if you don't hear from me within 24 hours. I do not communicate with students typically on the weekend unless it's a midterm exam or something's going on. And I do not keep very late hours, as in I'm not going to text you or email you back at 2 o'clock in the morning if you send me a message at 2 in the morning. However, I will try to get back with you as quickly as possible, okay? On the home page, you'll have some links. I think most courses at BSCC have these same links. How to get started in a Canvas class, just some links for help, a link for the lockdown browser, which I'll go over in a few minutes, and student resources and such. On this column, you'll have links to announcements. I do regularly make announcements to the class. If you have your account set up correctly, all of these announcements will go to your email. If you do not get announcements from me, you need to check your account and make sure it's set up properly. Syllabus, we're going to go here in a moment and go over the syllabus. Modules is where you'll find all of your classwork and all of the assignments for this course. Grades, obviously you'll go there to keep up with the grades and the points that you're earning for the class. Chat is a place where I can meet you or your classmates can meet you and have an on-time conversation. People, these are the students in your class and the way to communicate with them. And this course, your textbook is a Macmillan Higher Education textbook, and you will use this link on occasion, and we'll talk about that in just a minute as well. Now, Amazon Education is a link that Bevel provides for you to go to Amazon.com, and at the end of the semester, you'll have an opportunity to provide a course evaluation for this class, and when that's open for students, I'll send you a message. Students also have free to them Office 365, which is Microsoft Word and that kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to having you in class. This is a summer semester, so it's what I call the Fast and the Furious. There'll be a couple of chapters due each week, some course material due for you and assignments, and I'll go over those in another video under the syllabus link. But for now, I just wanted to introduce myself, let you know that I'm looking forward to the semester and hope you are as well. After you've read through the course material and taken a look at the syllabus, if you have any questions or concerns, please send me a Canvas inbox message, and I'll be glad to help you any way that I can.